Ah, there you go.
There's a small one. I didn't get it.
Excuse me.
You know your wife thinks we're all nuts, right?
And who thinks we're nuts?
Your wife. She thinks we're...
Oh, right there.
Oh,
You missed
dude,
it.
you turned it just the wrong time. It's like, nothing there. Flash, flash, flash,
God
flash.
damn it.
Turn around again. It was like, there.
Hey, fuck you. I'm going to stay right here.
Tries up and laughing. Ah, I gotcha.
I know. It's not fair.
Ooh, just kidding.
I can see the reflection of my glasses. Thanks.
Okay.
Whoa, did I miss it
I
again?
got a little bit of it.
You got part of that one?
I think I got part of that one.
I missed that one.
Yeah, right there. Yep. There's been some activity up in that area. I focus up there and just leave it.
Wow.
Oh, got
Tell
one.
me you got that one.
I got that one.
Awesome.
Got that one.
You see that thing rip across over there?
Yeah.
That was nice.
I'm like a skunk around that thing.
No, Marty, you're not.
Are you becoming afraid of the lightning there, buddy?
No, I just want to go over to the window and stare.
Hola, Rabola.
Over at that other house.
I would be afraid about what Rob might show you if you stand at the window.
Oh,
Scarred for life.
You know, Matt, this is what we needed the other night when we were watching the lightning.
Yeah. Now, what time did you shut down the park tonight?
About 8.
A little early?
Yeah?
Yeah, I thought you might. I thought that might be the case.
I think I got two.
Right on.
Oh, got that one.
You got that one?
I got that one.
All right.
It was a quick flash, but I did get the lightning bolts. Two.
Excellent. I want to see one of those just light up the sky. Just flash.
Lightning rod?
no.
Yeah, I would be playing with that if I were you.
With this.
It's aluminum, non-conductive.
Okay.
Why not?
Yeah, go ahead.
Marty wants to start playing a lightning rod.
Yeah. I get to be the lightning thief. Wow, that was good.
I got most of that.
No, Marty, you just get to get fried.
That last one?
Oh, yes.
I got that last one.
Excellent.
I can't get fried. I'm a demigod.
Even demigods get hurt. Thank you very much.
They do get hurt.
Come on,
They
look
can
at
carry
Hercules.
lightning bolts too. One day, I want to be in a crowd of people in a line somewhere, And I just want to scream, he's got a gun, and see how many people start running.
He's got a what?
He's got a gun.
You have about 12 or
Whoa, you
13
missed
cops
one right
running
there.
to you to tackle you for starting a riot. When I get back into, I'm going to have to borrow your wife's charging cable. Screw that thing. Not high enough, but I caught most of the flash.
He has some flash, but not much else.
Pardon me.
And thunder rolls.
We'll be smelling the ozone here really soon.
All right. Carol's in there. Knows her? Don't like it a bit.
He goes, No, sir.
Don't like it a
Don't
bit.
like it. Don't like it at all.
Whoa, where'd that come from? I think it came from over there.
Look at this.